Jamaica's senior women's football team got their preliminary round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers off to a flying start on Thursday with a 4-0 win over Bermuda at the National Stadium. But as we'll hear in this report from Karen Madden, the visitors didn't make it easy for the Reggae Girlz.
4 goals, 3 points and a clean sheet. Not bad for a team that has not played together since October of last year and had only 2 training sessions with a new coaching staff ahead of Thursday's game. A double strike from captain Khadija Bunny Shaw in the 78th and the 90th minutes complemented first half goals from Jody Brown and Trudy Carter to give Jamaica the important 3 points. Head coach Vin Blaine was naturally pleased with the outcome.
I can't ask for anything better. Your first game coming together, a depleted team in a sense, but as I told you, we have a very deep squad. So it gave me the chance to look at some other players, and I was pleased with what I saw. I had players playing out of position, and they did extremely well. So I couldn't have asked for any more from them.
The scoreline was the same as when the teams met in 2018, but Shaw believes the gap between the nations is closer than it was then.
Every team is evolving. Everyone's trying to get better, and they're gonna do whatever it takes to elevate their team. And we didn't really know much about Bermuda because they haven't played in over a year, but we knew that we had to focus on ourselves and to just come out here and get the job done. And it wasn't pretty at times, but at the end of the day, the 3 points is ours and we just move forward.
Carter agrees with that assessment.
With all these Caribbean games, I don't think all these Caribbean games would be a walkover anymore. All these Caribbean teams are aiming at us. We're like the number 1 aim, and everyone trying to beat us.
Just over 1,000 spectators were in attendance at the National Stadium after the government gave approval for 2,500 vaccinated fans. The players were elated by the support.
It helped us just push through the game, encouraging us, just keep getting goals after goals. I think that's really important for us. Going forward, I think we need the support.
The Reggae Girlz' appeal for a penalty for a foul on Shaw was ignored by the referee, and the Manchester City forward ended the game on a yellow card, and the 25-year-old was candid about her feelings.
Yeah, it comes with experience. I think 5 years ago, Bunny would probably gotten a red card, but it comes with experience, and I know that at the end of the day I gotta keep focused and keep my head, because the team comes first, and if I get kicked out of the game, we're playing with 1 less, and I probably won't be able to play the next game. So I had that in mind, and I knew what I had to do, and I just stayed in the game.
The Reggae Girlz were second in Group C behind the Dominican Republic, separated by a superior goal difference, are now in Grenada ahead of a Sunday's game at the Kirani James Stadium in St. George's. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.